In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a product in Odoo. We'll walk through the process from the main dashboard all the way to saving your new product record. This is a useful task to know whether you're selling physical goods, managing stock, or preparing items for your website catalog. To begin, log into your Odoo database and go to the main app dashboard. From here, you can create products through several apps, including sales, inventory, or website, depending on how your system is set up. In this example, we'll use the Sales app, which is a common place to manage product information. Click on Sales to open the module. Once you're inside, look for the Products tab in the top menu, click that, and then choose Products from the drop-down or menu list. This will take you to your product list, where you can create and manage all existing product records. Now open a new product and start filling out the basic information. This is where you define the product clearly. Enter the product name first, since that's what users will see in sales orders, quotations, and product listings. You may also see fields related to product type, sales price, cost, internal reference, barcode, category, and units of measure. As you fill these in, keep in mind that each field helps Odoo organize the product properly. For example, the sales price affects what customers are charged, the cost helps with margin tracking, and the product category can support reporting and accounting behavior. Internal references and barcodes are also helpful if your team needs faster searching or warehouse scanning later on. You can also upload an image for the product. Click the image upload area and select a product photo if you have one available. This is optional, but it's very useful because it makes products easier to identify, especially in catalogs, sales views, and website displays. Next, click on the Sales tab. This section contains settings that relate to how the product is sold. Depending on your configuration, you may see options tied to invoicing, sales descriptions, or customer-facing information. It's a good place to review anything that affects quotations and sales orders. After that, click on the Inventory tab. This tab is focused on stock and logistics details. Here, you may find information related to routes, tracking, packaging, or other inventory behaviors. These settings become especially important if the product is stocked, moved through warehouses, or managed in larger volumes. Before saving, review the changes you've made. And remember, it's completely fine if you don't fill out every field right now. Odoo allows you to come back and edit the product at any time, so you can start with the essentials and update details later. Once everything looks good, click the Save Manually button to store the product. And that's it. You've successfully created a product in Odoo.